Captain Tigerpants and I are super excited today because we got an Oodie delivered. Which couldn't be more perfect timing because it's snowing outside, which is totally crazy. We don't get snow that often in the UK, so I am super hyped for it. Nice cozy times ahead. Alright, let's go check it out. The package is super cute. It says, I am warm, soft, playful, cuddly, and super cozy. Right, Captain, let's do this. It's like vacuum packaged as well. It's kind of cool. Can I get into it or do I need a pair of scissors? Pair of scissors needed. I'll be right back. Look after the Oodie, Captain.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I've got my little pink pocket knife with scissors attached. This will sort us out. Alright, Captain, stand back. This will sort us out. It's really super well. Yay! There we go. Nice. Oh, it's so soft. It's really soft. Wow. And it's got cute little unicorns in it. I can't wait to try it on and see what it looks like. I feel like the captain's gonna steal it for sure. There we go. Oh look, there's the hood. Nice. Oh, look at the fleeciness. It's really soft as well. It's perfect. Alright. Back in a minute. I'm gonna go try it on.
One eternity later.
Alright, Captain. There we go. I am gonna be cozy and warm for ages. And I even get to hide the captain in it, which is perfect. Big thanks to the Oodie for my lovely, lovely new coziness. Thank you, thank you.